Today we talk about how can you add market for sale price on your Wix app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Wix app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. Just go down, click here on manage down, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on get impact. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You go down, click here on point of sale. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on make a sale here. Then here can you add price for your sale. You click on next. Then it's going to take you to add to make your sale on your Wix app. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish you I give it. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.